Ayan, good morning guys. Today I am going to make I'm going to cook pinakbet, Ilocano style. Okay, so this is the 5-quart Saladmaster wok. So I'm gonna put the meat first. The meat. Okay. All I gotta do is dump everything in here. And then I'll put the tomatoes, onions, garlic, and ginger. Okay. Everything. Haluin natin para let's stir it so that the what do you call this? The meat is not sticking. Okay. And then we'll put the okra, ampalaya, and then I normally put a little bit of tanglad, and then the sitaw, and the talong, eggplant. Okay, I soak it in the water so that it doesn't discolor. Right. Now let's stir it a little bit so that it even up the cooking. Stir lang natin ng konti. And then ilagay na natin yung bagoong. See, may bagoong tayo guys. Ito yung fish sauce. So ito lang bali yung juice niya. Okay, so and that's it guys. And then we'll wait until the vapor bulb clicks. Alright, then let's cover it in a medium heat Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna open it, and this is it.
Whoa!
So I turn it down to low, and for 10 minutes. Okay.